Champ Barbecuers. Today we are doing up corned beef brisket in the Pit Boss Vertical 7. Oh hell yeah. Here in New York, we got nailed with a snowstorm. Let's go check it out. But as you can see, I'm in a t-shirt. It's supposed to be 15 degrees outside today. That's fair enough. Yeah. That's my fire ring back there. I think that's 18 inches tall. The snow is up to the top of it. Yeah. So, the only thing I got heating this right now, one burner on low on the Blackstone. And the Pit Boss is at 300 degrees. It kicks out a little bit of heat. And yeah, but I got an exhaust fan. I'm gonna kick that back on again, turn it off for the video. And but it stays 60 degrees in here. It's awesome. So we are going to be making a cabbage bomb as well. We're going to be doing some small potatoes and carrots with that corned beef brisket when we wrap it. And this cabbage bomb, wait till you see what we got going on. We're going to be using some Uncle Steve's thick meat as the rub for this cabbage bomb. On top of crapping out, the entire East Coast, at least Spectrum, the internet is right now, today, on Saturday. And yeah, only when you get accustomed to using something all the time, it becomes a hassle. But I'm out here grilling, listening to music, drinking beer, having a damn good time. So how about you guys? What are you doing internet free? At least for most of the East Coast. All right, the cabbage bomb I just placed on the Pit Boss 7 with the foil open. We want to get some smoke in that cabbage for sure. And then the corned beef brisket just hit 165. We're pulling that. We're putting it on all of these veg with some beer. A German style beer. We're going to pour that in there, slap some butter on top, cover it, put it back in the Pit Boss until we hit about 200 degrees internal temp on that corned beef brisket. Oh, hell yeah. And I think that's it. Cheers. Wow. Anyway, this thing's foggy as all hell. So, corned beef brisket, I put in the Pit Boss at 300 degrees with competition blend and charcoal. Those pellets, it's a great combination. Try it out if you haven't. There's so many different kinds of pellets out there. The two together, I like it. It's pretty damn good. And we've got carrots, tomatoes, we've got carrots, potatoes, onions at the base of this. We're gonna put that corned beef brisket on top. Put some beer in there, butter on top of the corned beef brisket, wrap that sucker, put her back in the heat, and oh hell yeah, in a couple hours, she hit about 200 degrees, let her rest. It's gonna be dynamite. And I hope there's leftovers to do. Oh, you know it, Reuben's tomorrow. So if not, I'll figure it out and we'll do Reuben's either way. I'll go grab pastrami or something if there's no leftovers, because corned beef brisket is so damn good. If you know what I'm talking about, you know it. Usually, we devour it. So, anyway, guys. Corned beef brisket is done. But it has to rest. So let's pull it out and let it hang. Oh, hell yeah. Woo. Everything should be done. Oh, hell yeah. Looks like my Inkbird crapped out. Not necessarily the unit itself, just one of the probes. I gotta get some new probes for this gimmick, or a whole new guy. I really want that Maverick, man, but $90. But accuracy, man, it pays to have accurate food. You don't want to waste your money on food, say you dry something out. So I guess it is worth it in the end, but I think I can get the same thing out of that $20 Inkbird, god dang it. Just got to get some backup probes for when this happens. I got the Pit Boss probe in. It does work, but I found it to be about 10 degrees off from the Inkbird. But maybe the Inkbird was off. I don't know. So, yeah, so I'm going to get some new meat probes or a whole new external meat probe. everything should be done. Oh, hell yeah. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Man. Corned beef, cabbage, carrots, taters on the Pit Boss. Oh, hell yeah. Nice crunch. That cabbage bomb is not overdone. It's got a great crispness. Oh. And carrots are rocking. Oh. That corned beef is a little overdone. Not lying. But it's still delicious. Yeah, I went about 10 degrees too much on that. It still tastes delicious. Corned beef brisket, the flat. How can you go wrong? No, you can't. That cabbage could have went a little bit longer. Oh, hell yeah, to make it a little softer. But the crunch is nice too. I really like crunchy cabbage. What do you think? What do you guys think? Comment down below. Crunchy cabbage or mushy cabbage? I personally like the crunchy, and most people that I know like the mushy. So anyway, delicious dinner, and subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below. Nail that jingle bell. Yeah, you jingle the bell. And I will catch you guys on the next cook.